Hello everyone. So I just posted the updated list that we have per section, and for others who were asking kung ano yung section nyo or session nyo, you can check it dito sa Google Sheet. I-click nyo lang yung link. And also, we want you to update your program as well. I know you already filled out sa Google form that we sent, but if we check it one by one, it will take us forever. So we want you to help us by updating your program, whether you're BE-Ed, BS-Ed, and also make sure to be very specific. So if you are BE-Ed, put if it's BE-Ed Generalist, BE-Ed Special Education. The same goes with BS-Ed. Tapos dito guys, just click itong link and it will route you to a different page, which is our Google Sheet. So sa lahat ng may nakalagay na please fill out, pakilagay ng inyong mga information. Dito sa gilid, you will see section. So ngayon guys, there are actually more or less 1,200 names, and yung mga pangalan dito is hindi siya naka by alphabetical order. So how will you search it effectively or mas madali? So if you use, we recommend na as you fill this out or check this, you need to use your laptop or computer. But if you can use your phone and you can still see your name easily, then that's fine. But for those who are using laptop or PC, just click, just like how you search generally using your laptop. So if you're using a Windows laptop, click Control F again, CTRL-F. Then let's say I'm gonna search for Galang. So Control F, then lalabas ito sa gilid, then search for Galang, then lalabas siya dito. Yeah. If it will show you, like, let's say you have your last name is like De La Cruz. So basically, madami. So for example, if you're not De La Cruz Jessa, tas nandito, enter mo lang yan. So it will route you to the second na De La Cruz. And after seeing your name, just update anything that we need. So pag nakalagay na information obtained, meaning we already have your information, so there's no need to update that. What you need to update lang is yung mga nakalagay na please fill out. Most likely, for everyone, yung program lang kasi we weren't able to ask that when you were enrolling here. And again, nasa form na yan, but please just help us so we can sort out your program and major easily. Tapos sa gilid naman, you will be able to see yung details per section. Alam ko yung iba alam na, but others are still asking. So if you belong, again, pag nakalagay bangke, that's bangkerohan, meaning your session will happen sa bangkerohan office. The same office kung saan kayo nagpa-enroll. Merco naman, that's the for whole day lang yan na session. If you have questions, Merco, malapit yan sa UM Bolton. Doon sa may McDo at saka Jollibee. May Merco dyan na bakery sa taas yan, that's FTRC. So here are the details of your review days together with the start date, and also we will be sending you email, but since you're watching this video, take note of your date of orientation together with the time and the Zoom details. And if you have questions, just comment down sa ating chats. And please guys, before you comment your questions, check nyo muna yung ibang comments din. Baka kasi you have the same question tapos paulit-ulit lang. So you don't have to comment anymore and it will not notify us. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much and God bless us all.